Hello everyone, today we have a very exciting video because today we have the first ever point-blank RC scratch build, the Sparrow. The Sparrow is a 3-channel aircraft designed for maneuverability and decent speed. The Sparrow is inspired by the RC Test Flight Micro Drone series, which I considered building after crashing my FD Versa, which was a plane I was originally going to use for FPV. Here is the first launch. So basically what happened here is the plane was very tail heavy at the time since I had not determined the CG yet, and also I didn't launch it hard enough. So in this next launch I launched it a bit harder and the batteries moved up more. So I still didn't launch it very hard, and when it goes off the frame here for that little bit, it's about 6 inches off the ground, so I just saved it, and that probably would have ended our flying day.
So it kind of flies, a little bit unstable.
At this point, I had never flown this plane before because this is the maiden flight, and I'm just finding out right about now that this plane is super unstable on the roll axis, and it likes to pitch up even with the trim fully pointing down. So those are some characteristics that I'm going to change in further versions of this model.
So I'm flying at full throttle.
So on this setup, we're running a Blue Wonder spinning an 8 by 4.3 inch prop, and we're using a Turnigy Plush 18 amp speed controller powered by 2200 milliamp Turnigy 20C LiPo battery. Specs. Here I do a little dive, and I swear this is what the plane wanted to do the entire time I was flying. The wing produces such little lift that it doesn't even pitch up. So in conclusion, I made a pretty decent plane, but I feel like I can definitely improve on its weaknesses. First off, it was unstable on the roll axis, so I made a new design with a 40-inch wingspan. Second, it was underpowered. In my new design, I will be using an NTM prop drive 2826 1400 kV brushless outrunner motor. Lastly, it was tail heavy. In my new design, there's a 10-inch nose to leverage the weight of the battery so I don't have to increase the weight too much. Thanks for watching this episode of PBRC. This is definitely my favorite episode, and there's definitely more content and builds to come. PBRC is still a growing channel, so if you'd like to subscribe, please do.
Are you kidding me?